What are minerals? We will discuss on definition of minerals, minerals versus mineraloids, conditions to be called a mineral, mineral occurrences and environments, classification of minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring, homogeneous solids, generally formed by inorganic processes with ordered internal arrangement of atoms and chemical compositions and physical properties that either are fixed or that with definite range. Minerals and mineraloids. Minerals are crystalline solids forming single crystals. In contrast, mineraloids display a geometrically disordered structure and thus are in an amorphous, such that, non-crystalline state. Any substance should have to fulfill the following conditions to be called a mineral. 1. A naturally occurring mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic crystalline solid substance, formed by the natural geologic processes. For example, diamonds and ruby, a variety of other useful materials produced in the laboratory, are not considered minerals. 2. Inorganic solid minerals are solids within the temperature range normally experienced at the Earth's surface. Thus, ice-frozen water is considered a mineral, whereas liquid water and vapor are not minerals. 3. Ordered internal molecular structure atoms of minerals are arranged in an orderly, repetitive manner. Some naturally occurring solids, like volcanic glass obsidian, lack repetitive atomic structure and are not considered minerals. 4. Definite chemical composition mineral generally has a definite chemical formula that may vary within specific limits. The mineral pyrite FeS2 is composed of 1 iron and 2 sulfur atoms. Opal is CO2NH2 crystallized mineral gel. 5. Generally inorganic sugar, a crystalline solid that comes from sugarcane, is not considered a mineral. Mineral occurrences and environments. Igneous minerals have high melting points and can crystallize from silicate melts at temperatures 8000 C. Metamorphic minerals. Minerals crystallize from other minerals rather than from melts. In a very general way, metamorphic environments may be classified as low, medium, and high-grade metamorphic based on pressure, temperature, and sedimentary minerals are either stable in low-temperature hydrous environments, for example, clays, or are high temperature that are extremely resistant to chemical weathering, e.g. hydrothermal minerals. Precipitate from hot aqueous solutions and commonly grouped with metamorphic environments. Classification of minerals. Classifies minerals based on various parameters. 1. Based on their economic importance. Economic minerals. Those explored for their economic importance. Rock-forming minerals. Constituents of rocks. 2. Based on their origins. Primary minerals. Directly crystallize from cooling magma. Secondary minerals. Formed after sedimentation and metamorphism. 3. Based on their importance to the naming of rocks. Essential minerals. Their presence or absence affects the naming of the rock, e.g. quartz, feldspars for granite. Accessory minerals, non-essential. Their presence or absence doesn't affect the naming of the rocks. 4. Based on chemical composition.